Meaning of Marmite.
Marmite. Marmite.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A proprietary name in the UK for a type of yeast extract, having a strong, salty, umami flavor and a dark brown color, often spread on toast or crackers. 2. By extension, something that is strongly divisive in that people tend to either love or hate it. Examples. 1. She spread a layer of Marmite on her toast for breakfast. 2. The new policy has become a bit of a Marmite issue, with some people passionately for it and others strongly against.
Marmite. Marmite.